In today's video, I'll be showing you how to format a hard drive in Disk Management. So as you can see, I've got Disk Management open at the moment, so you need to go ahead and open up Disk Management. Once you've opened it, you will then see a list of all your hard drives and partitions, like you can see on my screen at the moment. So I want to format my H drive. So you now need to find the hard drive that you want to format. Just keep in mind though, once you do format that hard drive, any contents that are on that drive will be lost. Formatting will completely delete everything on that hard drive. So just make sure you backed everything up that you want to keep. So once you've decided which hard drive you want to format, you then need to right click on the hard drive and you then need to click on Format. You will then have a window that looks like this. So you can now give your hard drive a volume label. I'm going to keep mine as CS. Volume label is going to be the name of your hard drive. You then have file system and allocation unit size. So I'm going to keep them as they are on NTFS and default. You can then choose if you want to perform a quick format, or if you'd like to do a more secure, longer format, then deselect the quick format option. Once you're happy with all the options, you can then go ahead and press OK. You will then get a window that's basically warning us, saying that all data on the hard drive will be lost. I'm happy. I've taken everything that I need off the hard drive, so I can now go ahead and press OK. If you're happy, press OK, and it will begin to format the drive. So while it's formatting, under status it will say formatting, and once it's finished it will then say healthy. So that is how you format a hard drive, and also on the right hand side it will say free space is 100%, because we do have 100% of free space now. So that's how you format a hard drive in Windows 10 using Disk Management. I hope this tutorial helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did, then click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.